Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you need to update your unattended access password in AnyDesk for security reasons or because your old one was compromised, the process requires you to access your system's administrator settings. I will show you exactly how to safely change your credentials right now. Let's get started. First, we need to access the main configuration hub on the computer you want to connect to. Open the AnyDesk application. Click on the four-line menu in the top right corner of the window and select Settings. From the left-hand sidebar, click on the Security tab to reveal the application's access control options. Next, because your connection passwords are a highly sensitive setting, AnyDesk restricts changes by default. At the very top of the Security menu, click the button that says Unlock Security Settings. Your Windows user account control will immediately prompt you. Simply click Yes to grant administrative access and make the grayed-out options available to edit. Finally, you are ready to update your credentials. Scroll down to the Permissions or Unattended Access section, depending on your exact version of the software, and locate your active profile. Click the button labeled Set Password or Change Password. A dialog box will appear asking you to type and confirm your brand new password. Ensure you choose a strong one. Click Apply, and your new login credential will be immediately active. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.